said the spider to the fly.
It's the prettiest little parlour that ever you could spy. The way into my parlour is up a winding stair, and I've many pretty things to show you while you're there.
Oh, no, no, said the little fly, to ask me is in vain, for who goes up your winding stair will not come down again. Not such a silly little fly, was she?
I'm sure you must be tired from flying up so high. Won't you rest upon my little bed?
Said the spider to the fly.
There are pretty curtains drawn about, the sheets are fine and thin, and if you'd like to rest a while, I'll snugly tuck you in.
Oh, no, no, said the little fly, for I have heard it said, you never ever wake again if you sleep upon your bed. Quite a smart little fly, wasn't she? The spider turned him round about and went into his den, for well he knew that silly fly would soon come back again. So he wove a subtle web in a little corner sly, and he made his table ready to dine upon the fly. Then he went out to his door again and merrily did sing,
come hither, hither, pretty fly with pearl and silver wings.
Alas, alas, how very soon that pretty little fly, hearing all these flattering speeches, came quickly buzzing by. With gauzy wings she hung aloft and nearer drew, thinking only of her crested head and gold and purple hue, thinking only of her silly wings. Poor silly thing, at last up jumped the wicked spider and fiercely held her fast. And the moral of this story is very, very plain. There's nothing but a sticky end for flies that are too vain.